I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the console and TV are ready. Update your PS5 if needed. Use an HDMI 2, one port on a compatible television, and enable the TV's HDR mode. Once done, power up the PS5, sign into your profile, and navigate directly to settings from the home screen. This gets you into the menu where HDR options live. Make sure the TV is on and set to the same HDMI input so the system can detect HDR capabilities before you proceed. You now go to Settings, then Screen and Video, and open Video Output. Set HDR to on when supported to let the PS5 use HDR when the TV reports capability, or choose Always On if automatic detection fails. Next, select HDR and run the built-in calibration tool. Follow the brightness prompts, adjusting the controller until the reference bars are correct. This tunes the console's output to your panel, so highlights and shadow detail appear as intended in supported games. Finish by testing an HDR game or streaming app to confirm improved highlights and deeper blacks. If the image looks washed or too dark, turn HDR off then back on and rerun calibration. Sometimes toggling forces a renegotiation. Make sure you're using a certified HDMI cable, check your TV firmware, and try a different HDMI input if issues persist. If none of that works, restart both devices and, as a final step, reset video output settings so the PS5 redetects display capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.